Hi friends, you're watching Gate Helpline, and in this video we'll see tips for GATE 2021 and we'll see the hot news whether GATE 2021 is going to be postponed or not. Friends, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get all the latest updates regarding GATE exam. So friends, let's start with GATE 2021 last minute tips. So friends, these are the tips which you can use at least 2 to 3 weeks before the start of GATE exam. The first one is you must thoroughly go through the GATE 2021 exam pattern. We have already created a separate video, so you can check the link above this video where we have explained the GATE exam pattern, the marks distribution, syllabus and rest of the things. The second one is practice the virtual calculator. As we know that GATE 2021 is going to have many numerical type answer questions. So friends, to solve them, this is obvious that you will need virtual calculator. So this is the right time when you can start practicing the virtual calculator. Point 3 is practice as many as possible number of previous year question papers, sample test papers and mock test papers as possible. These previous year question papers and sample test papers you can find online on Amazon and Flipkart. Buy these books and try to solve as many as questions as you can. We have already created few of the previous year question papers solution in video format. So if you want to see them, you can just go to our channel, that is Gate Helpline, and search for the previous year question papers. But friends, we have only created the solution for computer science. The fourth one is candidate must not take too much stress regarding the exams. This is just an exam. Don't take it on another level and stress yourself. Take it as a simple exam, as we know that you are already a graduate, a degree holder. So you have already given many exams as part of your college studies. So take it as one of the exam. Try to prepare well and give the exam. If you have prepared well, then this is obvious that you will crack this GATE exam. The fifth one is candidates are suggested to avoid going through new topics now as you have reached the doors of GATE 2021 exam, because just after a week from now you will be giving GATE exam. The sixth one is go through the personal notes. This is the time. If you have not created personal notes, go and create personal notes of all the topics which you have prepared, because these personal notes will help you doing the revision before 1 or 2 days of your GATE exam. So now we'll see GATE 2021 exam day to-do list. So friends, the following things have to be taken care on the day before GATE 2021 exam. The first one is check out the details of the examination center where you are supposed to report. These details you will find on your admit card. So if you have not downloaded your admit card, we have given a link on top of this video where you can see how to download the admit card. On your admit card, you will find out the GATE examination center details. Check out your examination center details and try to visit your examination center at least 1 day or 2 days before your examination day, so that on the examination day you should know like where your examination center is and how you need to reach that place. The second one is collect all the mandatory things that you need to carry along to the examination center, such as GATE admit card, valid photo identity proof, pencil or pen, etc. in a single place. So it's better to buy a folder and keep all your belongings into that folder. And one more thing, please have a color printout of your GATE admit card. The third one is make preparations to wake up early on the examination day and plan according to reach the examination center at least half an hour before the scheduled time of the examination. So friends, why we are telling you to wake up early? Because suppose your shift is in morning, so it's good if on a daily basis you are waking up early, so that you will have a habit of waking up early in the morning and then do the preparation for your GATE exam. It will help you on the examination day. Second thing is we are asking you to reach at least half an hour before the scheduled time of your examination. Reason to this will tell you shortly in this video. So friends, GATE 2021 exam day instructions. So friends, as we told you that we will tell you the reason why we are asking you to reach the examination center 30 minutes early. So friends, answer to that question is you will be allowed to log in into GATE 2021 exam portal at least 20 minutes prior to the start of the examination. So friends, if you reach 30 minutes prior, 10 minutes you need to check where your roll number is going to be in which classroom, and to reach to your classroom you need at least 10 minutes. So once you reach to your classroom, you will be left with 20 minutes. So in those 20 minutes, you can read all the important instructions which are giving ahead of your exam. Not only the instructions, what you need to do in these 20 minutes is check your monitor, check your keyboard, check your mouse, whether all of them are properly functioning or not. Because we had seen lot of complaints from students that their keyboard was not properly working in the examination hall. Sometimes even their monitors were not properly working. So friends, in these 20 minutes, you need to check whether your computer is correctly working and all the instructions which are given by GATE 2021. So if any of the issues you will found either in your computer or in the wiring or in the instructions, please raise the concern to the invigilator which is there, so that in these 20 minutes they will be able to allocate some other system to you. These 20 minutes are very important. The next one is the candidate must only use the scribble pad provided to them at the examination center for rough work and calculations. After the exam, please return this scribble pad to the invigilator. The third one is planning. Once your exam is started, you will be able to see view all questions button. So friends, you need to click on this button and you will be able to see all the questions which are there in GATE 2021 examination. What are the topics you have prepared? Check those questions first, jump to those questions and solve them. And those questions which you don't know or you have any doubts, mark them to check for later. And the third one is you must plan their questions attempting strategy wisely, which must include a revision time as well at the end of the session to see all the attempted questions carry the correct response or not. At the end of your exam, at least 5 minutes you keep for revision time. In this revision time, you just cross check whatever questions and whatever responses you have put, whether the correct responses for the respective questions are not. So friends, please mind these exam day instructions. So friends, now the question which is even trending on Twitter, that is GATE 2021 is going to be postponed or not. So friends, the same question is asked by one of the GATE aspirant, and the question was, please sir, postpone GATE so that we can prepare well. At least GATE exam is the only hope for me. Due to this pandemic, our studies also got affected a lot. Give us at least 1 month of extra time, either or just conduct GATE exam twice a year. So friends, what GATE 2021 IIT Bombay replied from their official Twitter handle is, dates for GATE 2021 were announced long ago in July 2020 with press release, several media coverages and AICTE UGC circulated the letter of NCB chair to all colleges. GATE exam already can be given multiple times. There is no restriction, also no age limit unlike other exams, and this is being tweeted by GATE Twitter handle. This simply means the GATE 2021 exam is not going to be postponed. So friends, please prepare well and best of luck. So friends, thanks for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share our videos to appreciate our work. If you have any doubt or question, please comment below.